Hello everyone, my name is Beth, and for my very first YouTube video I'm going to be doing a Makeup 101 tutorial. This tutorial is going to be good for people who maybe are just starting with makeup, or people who like to keep things super simple and don't like to do a full face. I'm only going to be using 4 products in this video. I'm going to be using foundation, blush, mascara, and lip gloss. Now, of course, you can use any mixture of makeup products. You don't have to do what you see people doing online. Makeup is supposed to be fun and a creative way to express yourself. So, the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to get my wet, dampened beauty sponge, and I'm going to apply some foundation. This is Milani's Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer and light. Now, if you want a more full coverage foundation, don't wet your sponge. Use a dry sponge and it'll be more full coverage. And if you don't like sponges, you can use your fingers, you can use a brush, you can use a makeup wedge, good old-fashioned wedge, whatever you're comfortable with. So I'm just going to use a couple of pumps. I'm going to start off by just dabbing this all over my face, like so. And then I'm just going to press it in. You don't want to drag or pull your skin, you want to be super gentle with your skin, which is why kind of pressing it in is the best thing to do. And never forget that you want to bring it back to your ears and you want to drag it down your jawline so everything's one color. And don't be afraid to kind of pull it into your hairline. Cover up all that naked skin. Really press it in. You can always skip foundation if you want. I don't always wear it. Makeup is not a necessity. You don't have to, like I said before, you don't have to wear anything you don't want to. So sometimes I just skip foundation altogether. Okay, next I'm going to apply some blush. This is Revlon's Racy Rose. Gonna brush some onto my brush, tap off the excess. And for blush, what I like to do is I smile so you can see the apples of your cheeks, and then you're kind of gonna go in like a Nike check, like this. Just gonna sweep it on back. You want to concentrate most of the color right in the center and sweep it on back. And do that to the other side as well, obviously. And then what I like to do with whatever's left on my brush, I just swipe it over my forehead, my nose, my chin, kind of just add a little flush of color to the rest of your face. Okay, and then next we have mascara. This is Maybelline, the Colossal Volume Express. And what I do is I go in and I wiggle it, and then I twist the wand and pull it upward. So wiggle, twist, pull. Wiggle, twist, pull. gonna do the same thing on the other eye. You can really just go over it as many times as you want, as many times as you're comfortable. And for the bottom lashes, you're just gonna wiggle your wand gently. Okay, and the last step, you're going to put on a little lip gloss. You can use chapstick, you can use lipstick, really whatever the heck you want. And this is Rimmel London Oh My Gloss Oil Tint. And I don't think I need to tell you how to put on lip gloss, just stay in the lines. Pretty simple. And there you go. You have a super simple Makeup 101 look. I hope you enjoyed that. My next video is probably going to be a Makeup 202. Whatever comes next. It's an intermediate tutorial, and I'm going to do an advanced tutorial, so hopefully you stick around for those. Thank you for watching. Bye.